Hey, welcome to today's Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Hey, today we're going to talk about how to deal with the shifts in how we work as a, top of C-suite, as a workforce, employees, teams, all these things, right? I continue to be amazed at, we're still having this discussion, actually, but it is still a discussion that is on the minds of most CEOs, and that is dealing with the current workforce and the shifts that we're having to make in the workforce, be it this virtual model that we're under, or generational mind gaps, all these different things, right? But here's just the honest to God's truth. How to shift to how we work today. You just do it. I mean, I hear a lot of people from my generation, Gen Zers saying, or Gen Xers like me, saying, oh, these Gen Zs, I can't work with them, and so on and so forth. Well, you better figure it out, man. That is the workforce that is coming up. The Gen Zs and the even the newer generation before that's already coming up. So we have to learn through having conversation with some of these younger generations to learn how to shift how they want to work. All right. This doesn't mean, right? I'm not saying you got to be all mamby-pamby. We talked about firm, fair, and consistent as 3 great ways to lead, right? It's the same way with any workforce that we have to work with, be it virtual or in the office. Just be firm, fair, and consistent with the things that you do. And, you can't treat everybody the same either on the same note. So, but it also sometimes takes coming down to, working with people at their level too. You can still be firm, fair, and consistent, but that's how we have to deal with some of these shifts in the workforce and, all these generational gaps that I kind of think I wouldn't say they're bullshit. I think it's a lot of us. I'm sure my dad's generation probably said the exact same shit about my generation, was we suck and we're hard to work with and this, that, and the other. But we have to adapt to it. Because really, it's kind of probably really on us, to be honest with you. It has nothing to do with, generational gaps sometimes. I think a lot of it is just our hard-headedness and not wanting to change and adapt to a workforce. They just want a better life, right? They don't care about money so much. They want a better quality of life, to do the things that they want to do with their family and friends and so on and so forth, and not be stuck to a cubicle for 8 hours a day. And by God, I don't blame them one bit. I tell all my staff exactly this thing. If you can do your job in 4 hours, I don't care if you spend the next 4 on the golf course. Adapt or die. All right. So how do we make the shift? Simple. Pay the freak attention. All right. Hey, I hope this was helpful on today's episode of the Daily Dose. Go ahead and smash that like button if this was helpful. And as always, you can get a hold of me at www.strategicadvisorboard.com. And remember, dream it, believe it, and go achieve it. Shift fire in your business. Start paying attention to what's going on in the workforce. Adapt. You'll thank me later. All right. Have a good day. Thanks for tuning in to today's dose. We'll see you tomorrow. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God.